Mags look good.
Two's ready.
Doors, windows shut.
Yep.
Line 2. Flight controls, trim, throttle, engine, suction, mags, carb heat, idle, flight instruments, lights, and transponder. Okay, we did all that. Flaps 10. Mixture rich.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, departing 35, right turn out, southbound. Thompson.
You have the FOD branch right there?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Alright, we're clear of it.
I was off well before the bird decoy, so you should be good. Roger, thank you.
Alright, good rate. We'll go ahead and get the flaps up.
A big hawk down there. Couple big hawks. Garage doors down.
O'clock. 800 feet above us.
I think that's CW.
879er.75. 25 X-ray. 879er's up. 25 X-ray.
I think they reported at the same time.
What altitude you picking, Travis? We're going to try 35 and see how that feels. A little bumpy. I guess we could have our taster check out 55 to see if it's smoother. We could do that. You guys still got me? Negative. I lost you when you turned out to the west. You guys do a right turnout or left turnout? Right. Oh, good. Okay. Oh, we're looking. So we should be at your, just out your left window. Find the clover leaf. You might be able to see us.
Oh, got him inside over there.
We got you inside. Yeah, you're down to clutter still. Okay, you're coming up to, well, we're about the same altitude. I'm showing 3,300. That's what I'm showing also. Okay, check your about 9 o'clock now.
Oh, got him.
I still don't have you yet. Okay, you got a good heading, so keep it going.
Can see the Wichita's real clear.
You might be about a mile or two just to our right.
that again?
Then you can see the Wichita is really good today.
Yeah, it's super clear. I guess we could do a panel tour. We've been having requests for seeing the panel, so.
Not very impressive.
Very high-tech navigation system. Okay, so I guess now we, time warp.
All right.
All right, we're about 5 miles out from Cedar Mills. About 400 feet to go to pattern altitude.
Northwest regional, experimental 257 Charlie Hotel, 2.5 southwest, maneuvering for a left downwind to 35, Northwest regional.
Oh, that was a good one.
Cedar Mills traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2 is 5 miles northwest, 1 to left downwind, 07, Cedar Mills.
This'll feel weird.
Aero Country, Cessna 15 Golf Whiskey, entering left base for runway 35.
Why will it feel weird?
I've never landed on this runway.
04601 Juliet, left downwind runway 36.
We always go to the other runway.
Not as cool of an approach.
Well, I guess we'll find out, won't we? Okay, good.
Sailboat.
Aero Country, Cessna 15 Golf Whiskey, entering final for runway 35.
Okay, I have the hangar.
Aero Country, traffic 105 Romeo Echo, crosswind 35, Aero Country.
Got the hangar in sight. The only hangar. Haven't seen or heard.
Northwest regional traffic, 7 Charlie Hotel, entering a left downwind for 35, Northwest regional.
Northwest Regional's a busy place
Aero
today.
Country, traffic 105 Romeo Echo, left downwind 35. Absent, Aero Country.
And so is Aero Country.
Aero Country traffic, we're going to do a little quick 180 just to the south of the airport for a photo op for the individual.
Alright, you got the runway in sight?
Know where it should be.
Aero Country, traffic 105 Romeo Echo, left base 35, Aero Country.
Oh, got it.
Northwest regional, 7 Charlie Hotel, left downwind 35, full stop, Northwest regional.
Cedar Mills traffic, Skyhawk 879er, flight of 2, entering left downwind 07, Cedar Mills. Final 35, Aero Country.
Looks like Ron's not the only one down there.
Northwest Regional, 7 Charlie Hotel, left base 35, Northwest Regional.
Departure to the west, last call, Northwest Regional. Cedar Mills traffic, Skyhawk A79er, left base 07, Cedar Mills.
Alright, there's our speed. Looks clear on final.
Yep.
Can feel the push, so I guess that's the right direction to be landing.
Cedar Mills traffic, Skyhawk A79er, final 07, Cedar Mills. Cedar Mills traffic, get Cherokee 25 X-ray, left base 07, Cedar Mills. Watch all the birds. Cedar Mills traffic, Cherokee 25 X-ray, turning final 07, full stop, Cedar Mills.
A little bit of crazy wind there.
Test sounds good.
It flopped down.
Yeah, that was it. We had wind and then we didn't. That's alright, we're good.
Well, we made it.
Yep.